So hello everyone, welcome back to the UC shop. This is Kasim. So what I have tried to brought for you today is a very exclusive collection. These are, we have tried to get inspired from handloom Jamwar Patola sarees. So earlier what used to happen is Jamwar Patola sarees used to come in very high price range around 15,000, 20,000. So for the first time in Varanasi, we have tried to brought these exclusive collections to you at a very affordable price of rupees 1500 only, just 1500 rupees. So we have currently 3 designs in this. All 3 designs are in single color only. We have tried to make a very exclusive color shade also. So I'll be opening all the 3 sarees for you so you can have a better look. So let me just show you the clear view of the saree as well. So as you can see, the complete detailing of the saree we are seeing is a pattern that used to be made in handloom sarees only. This pattern is called Jamwar Patola pattern. With beneath the saree there is a floral pattern, and above this Zari Buta pattern with this traditional contrast border work. So this will be a complete body look. And coming to the pallu also, we have this very pretty traditional contrast pallu in royal blue color shade with water gold zari shade. And this here you'll be getting the blouse. The price of this is 1500 only, and the shipping is free, as you all know. So we have 2 more in this. I'll be showing you those also. So the next up we have this very pretty light green color shade as well. I'll be opening all the 3 for you. So this is the second piece we have. So the color palette we have seeing this, the color is a light pista greenish tone with Rani pink contrast border part. So this is the complete body view. As you can see, we have this very pretty floral integrated design in the all over body of the saree. With over that we have this patola pattern. This is mixture of this is called Jamwar Patola with Rani pink contrast border work. So this will be getting the complete body view. And coming to the pallu also, we have this very pretty Rani pink contrast pallu with embossed pattern design. And this here you will be getting the blouse. This for the second piece. The last but yet one of our best color we have in this is a very light Firozi color shade. We also call this sky blue. So this is one of the best colors we have in this, because the color shade also is pretty good with a combination of light sky blue and dark sky blue. So in the detailing also we have this integrated design floral buta in the body, and above that we have this zari buta. So this you'll be getting the complete view of the sari. The price is just 1500. All the earlier people used to get in the handloom sarees around 15,000, 20,000. So the first time we have brought in Varanasi, no one else has ever brought this until now. So this will be the pallu of the sari in the same contrast self color shade, and this is your blouse.